There's a new fractional share competitor on the block, and their name is Public. Not Publix, Public. Consider them like the Twitter of investing, because not only can you buy fractional shares, which, I mean, you can't really do that on Twitter, but you can share your entire portfolio to the public and share trades you're making, like stock twits, but of course without the annoying people pumping up stocks. Don't worry though, if you're concerned about sharing your trades, you're not actually sharing the dollar value of the trades, you're just sharing the fact that you maybe bought and sold a position and that you're up, I don't know, 62% when you sold. You can also hide that if you want to. They call themselves the Investing Social Network, but should you open an account with them? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Jacob Fisher, and today we are talking about a new platform that was just released recently where you can invest like every other platform out there. Because there are a million platforms out there where you can invest, they had to do something a little different. But they decided to go on the social network side and turning it into a place where you can talk about trades, share trades, and actually buy and sell while proving it instead of stock twits where you can probably lie about it. Anyway, they also offer fractional shares, so let's just tap that like button and get into it. I first discovered Public Investing, which sounds kind of weird, after seeing Ramp Capital talk about it on Twitter and base their portfolio. WeRamp, a portfolio chosen by the people, needed a place to go for fractional shares and to be in full view of the public because people are voting to put stocks in it. He was sponsored by Public to use them, unlike me, where this video is completely not sponsored. But if you like the platform enough, then consider using my affiliate link down below and you'll receive a free stock and I'll receive free stock, along with using my other codes for Webull with 2 free stocks and Robinhood 1 free stock. I mean, you can do whatever you want. Public uses Apex clearing to clear and execute some of the trades, which is what Robinhood previously used. Robinhood went back to their self to do it now. The broker is also backed by FINRA because you do need that when you start a brokerage account. Well, that and a ton of other things needed because you are handling people's investing accounts. The concern that many people have with this and other commission-free brokers is that, what are they doing? Are they selling your data to make money? In Public's case, it would appear they make money from lending out securities to short sellers, interest on cash on people's accounts, and smart order clearing fees. I know that last one sounds a lot like they're making pennies on the order by charging you or upcharging you on the price and taking the difference, but that's not really how it works. When you provide liquidity to brokers, you can actually make money on the orders. On professional level brokers like Centerpoint Securities, they will pay you a fraction of a penny, like 0.002 cents, to sell orders at the current price or market. If you're adding liquidity to the market, they pay you for that. For large orders coming through, all collected together in a brokerage account like Public, let's say 1 million shares are traded an hour, then they could potentially make $200 an hour just in that example. Let's move into some other things this company is about. We'll start off with stock gifts, where you gift a stock to somebody, except you don't actually pay like $5 to gift a fractional share. You are literally just gifting free money to somebody, which it was weird. It's pretty cool though. I filled everything out and my friend would get a free stock if he signed up for an account with Public. Seems kind of cool, sort of like they just want to bring people into their brokerage by saying they have more active users or something, get more funding from people by giving out those free stocks, and then they get just more people in. All you need to do to get that is sign up for an account and then you can send it out, or if you've been sent it, you sign up for an account, then you receive it. That being said, I don't believe you as the sender would able to get a free stock out of it. That would only work if you click the link down below to get people sign up. Overall, backed by FINRA and doesn't sell my data, seems pretty good to me. So let's get into what makes them different from Robinhood or any other brokerage. And I think that would be the public aspect of it, hence their name. Starting up the app, we have an overview of your portfolio and how much you might be up today. As of recording this, I chose a decent stock, ACB, a cannabis stock, and thanks to the election, I am up over 200% with them. I got super lucky on that one, but on the homepage, we can see people talking about their trades. This person apparently just sold Delta and made 63%. Of course, that would not tell you how much you have in the dollar value, but just the percent gains from the person that they might have made. Other things you can see is people who choose to invest in companies. We can also follow people and maybe they'll have a few features on their profile for the day or a cool little profile feature in the search setting. You can see the various themes and stocks they may have chose to invest in and different posts that they have. Themes are kind of cool. I kind of like them because you can see stocks that fit under a theme category like green energy or cannabis. However, this do the right thing theme, I'm just not sure how they got away with some of the companies in there. For the win, related to gaming companies, which is kind of cool again because they have a theme in a stock that you can choose to invest in. Meatless Revolution, another fun one, reuse and reduce, and cannabis are all the themes that I follow, or at least some of them. Let's get into Ramp Capital really quick because that's how I found Public. As you can see from their profile, you can again see that the stocks that they chose to invest in along with previous posts they had. You can create polls with your posts, and maybe you can get big enough that you can create a crowdsourced profile or portfolio as well. I think the platform is actually pretty cool because you can show off your portfolio and people can comment on it and you can share your thoughts on investing. In the future, I think it'd be pretty cool to do a similar thing to Ramp where we choose stocks, we as in you the viewers, choose stocks to invest in, and then we all add to the portfolio one by one, and maybe just maybe we can beat the market with some crowd thinking. I thought that would be a really cool idea, and if you sign up using my link below, then maybe we can get set up before the end of the year. Let me know your thoughts on this brokerage and if you'd even put your money in them. Let me know that in the comments below. I upload videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday on travel and finance, so if that sounds like something interesting to you, hit that little subscribe button down there. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.